Hey guys, so I upcycled some of my scrunchies lately and I thought upcycling and mending are two great ways to reduce our waste on the planet after refusing and reducing our consumption obviously. So I thought of sharing this technique with you guys as well. So let's begin. So we just open this up. So we try to find the end. Yeah, that's it. Got the end. And we cut our yarn from there because we're just going to reuse this. We're just changing the elastic because that's spoiled. This is all fresh and we can just reuse it instead of throwing it. And we'll be using the same thread and accessories on it because we don't want to throw when it's all fresh, and we can reuse it. So we reuse whatever we can and we throw away whatever is spoiled. So you'll see one end will be the end and we can't really, we'll have to like really go into it. The other end will easily unravel. So we just have to find that end so that we don't have to go much deep into it. And we unravel this and we're done. See, this elastic was just gone. No elasticity in this elastic. So we can just throw this bit and let's just wrap this part so that it's easier for us to reuse it. So I have this all wrapped and I have the other end in my hand. So I've got this new stretchy elastic. Make sure it's nice and tight. And we'll start crocheting on this now. I didn't have a matching color like a yellow or mustard, so I'm just using what I have available at home. If you have a matching color, or if you have black or maybe the color of your hair, that will be amazing because that will camouflage and it won't be that visible. So first, what we're going to do is just leave this aside. It's better if you wrap it on something. And we make a slip knot. We twist it so we have the longer thread on top. The longer thread. Then we put our elastic on it and we hold it together. Then we put our crochet hook. You can use any size, but yeah, prefer the one that goes best with your thread that you're reusing. So we put our hook inside. This is my longer thread now. So I put my hook inside, take the longer thread, pull it out and pull everything. So I have a slip knot with my elastic in between. So I just wrap the yarn. Yeah. Now I'm going to do a very easy method here. We're just going to be doing single crochet stitches and chain stitches. So we go under, yarn over, single crochet. Now let's take some accessories that we have. Maybe 3. And just going to do 1 chain, 2 chain, and going again into single crochet like that, another single crochet like that. Now if I don't want all my accessories on the same level, I'll just give it a height. I'll chain first and then take my next accessory. So I'll take 2 this time and then chain and then single crochet onto my elastic. So I'm just giving 2 single crochets in between the accessories. You can give less or more depending on how many accessories you have. You can even add on some if you want to and use these somewhere else, but I'm just going to be reusing whatever I have because I just wanted to change the elastic. So I've done 2 single crochets now. I'll again chain 2. Let's see what accessories we have next. Again, a flower and a bead. Chain 1 and 2 single crochets. Let's just keep it chain 2 accessory, chain 1. We've put the accessory, chain 1, 2 single crochet. Yeah, I think that's a decent height for all the accessories to go. The first one I chained after, so it's pretty close to my head, but that's fine. Rest of them I'm just going to do 2 chains, accessory. You can choose to do as many chains as far away you want the accessory to be from your head. You can do those many chains. And then I've put my accessory, I chain 1 and then I do 2 single crochets onto the elastic and then I chain 2. Put some accessories, chain 1, 2 single crochet. The good thing about this is even if you finish your accessories till here, you can just keep doing single crochets all over and you can have this on top when you wear the rubber band. Or if you have the accessories throughout, you can just use it normally. So you can create your own design with this. So I chain 2, put the accessories, so we keep doing that till we cover the whole elastic, and let's meet at the end now. So I've reached the end now. So just make some chains and pull the excess yarn. And then if you want, you can just, to complete the circle, tie it around the other end. Cut the excess. Just adjust your thread so your elastic is not that visible. And you got this pretty looking fresh and new scrunchie from your old one. It's a great way to reduce some waste and reduce buying new things. You can pass it on to your niece or you can wear it yourself. I think it's an amazing thing. What do you think? So I hope you won't throw your old scrunchies now and mend them to create new ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more crafty videos and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Until next time, stay safe, stay crafty.